Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important SQL concepts, the having clause. Okay, we will see what it does, how it's different from the where clause, and we will look at some real SQL examples in Workbench. So let's get started. Okay, what is having clause actually? So having clause is used to filter the groups of the data created by the group by clause. Now remember, the where clause filters rows before grouping, okay, and the having clause filters group after the grouping. So if you want to apply conditions on aggregate functions like sum, count, or average, you must use having. Okay, I have created one table for that one. So select start from sales. Like you can see here, you can see our sales records with salesperson's name, regions, and the amounts. Have records like this. Okay, now suppose we want to know the total sales done by each salespersons. Okay, we will use group by clause like this. Okay, in that case, how we can do? I have written the query here. Select salesperson, sum of sales amount as total sales from which table sales table. Group by salespersons. We will group by the salespersons. Let me execute this one. Okay, what we got here, this gives us total sales per salesperson. Got it? So now let's say we only want to see those salespeople whose total sales are greater than 2000. Okay, so here we can't use where here because we are filtering on an aggregate value. So we will use having. Okay, so select same thing we have to copy here and having sum of sales amount greater than 2000. Yes, and yeah, that's it. Now we only see the sales people with total sales above 2000. Okay, understood now? So, to make it clear, where filters rows before grouping and having filters after the grouping. Okay, let's see this in one query. Here I have written select the region salesperson, sum of sales amount, and from the sales table where region not equal to west. So, this what it happens, this happens before the grouping. Before the grouping, we can write the where clause here after the grouping, like group by region and salesperson. And this happens after the grouping having sum of sales amount greater than 1500. Okay, let me execute this one. What happens here? So here first the west region is excluded using where clause, and then only the groups having the total sales above 1500 are shown using the having. Got it? Yeah. And the next, you can also use the having with another aggregate functions like count or average. Okay, like for example, here I have used to find the regions having the three or more sales. Okay, here to find the regions having three or more sales, like select region count star from the table sales group by regions and having count star greater than 3, right? So this is how we can use the aggregate functions here. And yeah, so to summarize, use where to filter the rows, use having to filter grouped or aggregated results. Okay, I hope this video helped you understand the having clause clearly. And if you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more SQL tutorial. See you in the next video.